Presenting the Kia 2020 Sorento LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 185 horsepower, 2.4L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.